Hi, this video is a tutorial on how to use Learning Ally, an audiobook app on your Chromebooks. First, go to Google and type in Clever, or if this is your first page, you can just start to log in to your Clever account. You need to use your Boston ID, so you can type in your Boston email, as well as your password to log in. And when you're logged in to Clever, you'll see your entire digital backpack, which has all of the apps available to you. The app we're using is called Learning Ally, and you'll need to scroll down to find it. It is a blue app that looks like two Wi-Fi symbols. When you find it, let's click on it to open it. Here you'll need to log into the app, but you're going to do that by selecting the white text that says login through your district, and you'll need to type in Boston Public Schools. Once you do that, you'll be logged into your Learning Ally account. If you've used Learning Ally before, you might have some books already on your shelf, or if a teacher has assigned you a book, you'll see it right here. You might have to click the download button on the book that you want to read. I'm going to click it on Mexican White Boy. And as you can see, once I click to download it, the progress bar will show me how much of it is downloaded. When it's fully downloaded, you can click on the book to open it, and the program will immediately start reading the book to you. So it will use a human voice, a volunteer to read it, and it will highlight so you can see where the reader is. You can also select the chapter that you would like to start at using the table of contents, or the page that you would like to start at. I hope that this is a useful tool for you, and enjoy.